Welcome back to another exciting video. Today we've got something a bit different for you. 15 things that change once you get rich. And watch to the very end for a rather spicy secret number 16. If you're on the path to financial success, you'll want to stick around because we've got some eye-opening insights. And don't forget to click the link in the description to learn more about what you can expect once you become rich, and subscribe to this channel so you never miss an episode. Alright, let's get started, shall we? Number 1. Your friends. As your wealth gradually increases, you may notice a shift in your social circle. The friends you've known since childhood might continue to lead lifestyles that are different from yours. You could be working tirelessly to build your business and secure your financial future, while some of your friends maintain their previous routines. This divergence can lead to fewer interactions and diminishing common ground for conversations. Additionally, the dynamics may change when friends seek financial assistance, and while you may be willing to help, it can alter the balance within the group. Over time, you might find yourself forming new friendships with individuals who have shared similar challenges and aspirations, though these new connections might not always exhibit the same level of loyalty as your older friendships, leading to a sense of isolation. Number 2. The food you eat. As your financial situation improves, your attitude towards food undergoes a transformation. You become more conscious of your dietary choices, gravitating towards healthier options. What was once an indulgence in junk food loses its allure as you begin to appreciate food not only for its taste, but also for its nutritional value. You develop a deeper understanding of the impact of quality food on your overall well-being, and you may even find yourself questioning why others aren't making the same choices. In essence, getting rich elevates your relationship with food, making you more health-conscious and mindful of what you put into your body. Number 3. Where you live. Many aspire to upgrade their living situation when wealth increases. Moving to a better neighborhood or purchasing a larger home becomes a common goal. However, this transition comes with its own set of financial considerations. Upgrading to a larger home can lead to higher property taxes and increased expenses, including the cost of living in your new area. It's essential to strike a balance between improving your comfort and maintaining financial prudence to ensure that your hard-earned money isn't spent on unnecessary extravagances that might strain your resources. Number 4. The way you look. Money not only influences your lifestyle, but can also impact your physical appearance. As you accrue wealth, you gain the resources to invest in your health and appearance. Beyond merely upgrading your wardrobe, you have the option to enhance your physical well-being. We've already discussed the shift towards healthier eating, but it doesn't stop there. With financial means, you can explore fitness regimens, personal trainers, and even cosmetic procedures. This newfound ability allows you to address aspects of your appearance that may have previously caused self-consciousness. From weight management to addressing imperfections, getting rich can empower you to look and feel your best. Number 5. Your holidays. One of the initial indulgences that often accompanies newfound wealth is the ability to embark on dream vacations that were previously out of reach. Luxurious hotels, fine dining, and exploring exotic destinations become integral parts of your lifestyle. The hotels you stay at gain an extra star, pampering you with premium amenities like fancy shampoos, plush bathrobes, and scented candles. Even the view from your room improves. While some aspects of travel, like the minibar, might still seem overpriced, you now have the financial freedom to indulge. You upgrade your dining experiences, order gourmet dishes at hotel restaurants, and become more generous with tips. Essentially, wealth provides you with the opportunity to explore far-off lands, enriching your life with a portfolio of remarkable travel experiences. Number 6. How much you care about your taxes. Wealth brings a heightened awareness of the importance of effective tax management. You've worked tirelessly to accumulate your assets, and you're keen on preserving your wealth. Consequently, you dive deep into understanding tax strategies and financial optimization. This may involve seeking expert advice and exploring options like offshore banking to minimize your tax liability. Your financial savvy extends to taxation as you strive to protect your hard-earned assets and ensure that they continue to grow. Number 7. The car you drive. With increased wealth, your perspective on vehicle choices undergoes a significant shift. While aesthetics and style still matter, safety takes precedence. You may find yourself more focused on vehicles that offer superior protection in case of accidents. This shift in priorities can lead to the preference for larger, safer vehicles as you prioritize the well-being of yourself and your loved ones over flashy appearances. Number 8. The way people treat you. An unexpected aspect of wealth is the change in how people around you treat you. As you become financially successful, you'll notice shifts in the way people interact with you. Some may treat you with newfound respect and admiration for your achievements, while others may exhibit envy or insecurity. Authenticity and sincerity in relationships can become increasingly rare, as some individuals may be driven by their perception of your financial standing rather than genuine connection. Navigating these changing dynamics can be challenging, and discerning who truly values your authenticity becomes crucial. Number 9. People coming after what you have. Attaining wealth can make you a target for various challenges. The simplest way to put it is that being wealthy is akin to being a highly desirable individual in a room full of admirers. Lawsuits may become a more common occurrence in your life, as individuals may seek financial gain through legal actions. You might also find that the opposite sex becomes more interested in you, potentially with ulterior motives to safeguard their own financial interests. Additionally, people may approach you as friends or acquaintances, even if their intentions are not entirely genuine. As a result, a degree of paranoia can develop as you become more cautious about whom you trust and interact with. Number 10. You don't care about social media anymore. Achieving financial success can lead to a change in your attitude towards social media and public validation. Throughout your life, you may have sought approval and validation from others through social media platforms. However, once you've reached a level of financial stability and comfort, the need for external validation decreases. Your actions and choices are no longer driven by a desire to impress or gain recognition from others. Instead, you prioritize activities and decisions that genuinely make you happy, regardless of whether they garner social media attention. Number 11. Your goals. As you accumulate wealth and secure your financial future, your life goals begin to evolve. Initially, you might have aimed for specific income milestones, such as earning $40,000, $100,000, or $250,000 per year. These goals were meaningful to you because they represented financial security and success. However, as you approach or reach these milestones, your perspective broadens. You realize that there are higher levels of success and achievement that you hadn't previously considered. Financial concerns no longer dominate your thoughts. Instead, you shift your focus towards making a meaningful impact, becoming influential, and creating happiness for yourself and your family. These new goals prioritize personal growth, wisdom, and the well-being of those you care about. Number 12. The things that make you happy. With increasing wealth, the things that bring you happiness undergo a transformation. Material possessions and extravagant experiences may have brought you joy in the past. However, as you accumulate more wealth, the initial excitement of acquiring new things diminishes. You discover that lasting happiness comes from simpler pleasures and meaningful relationships. Spending quality time with your loved ones, appreciating life's everyday wonders, and nurturing genuine friendships become paramount. You realize that the most valuable treasures are often intangible and cannot be bought with money alone. Number 13. You start reading. More. The journey to wealth often leads to a newfound appreciation for reading. Books become powerful tools for personal growth, learning, and inspiration. You may find solace in reading about the experiences and insights of successful individuals who have faced challenges similar to your own. These books serve as sources of both entertainment and motivation, offering valuable lessons that you can apply to your own life. They become a gateway to gaining knowledge, honing your skills, and broadening your perspectives. Books become a key component of your personal and professional development, inspiring you to reach greater heights. Number 14. You start thinking about your legacy. Accumulating wealth prompts you to consider the legacy you will leave behind. You contemplate how you will be remembered and what impact you will have on the world. This introspection can be both profound and challenging. You recognize that your time on Earth is limited, and while you may not achieve immortality in the literal sense, you aspire to leave a lasting mark on the world. You ponder the actions you can take today to ensure that your influence and contributions endure for generations to come. Legacy becomes a deeply personal and thought-provoking concept, encouraging you to consider the mark you want to leave on the world. Number 15. You tell people. Exactly what you think. Wealth affords you the luxury of being more direct in your interactions with others. While kindness and respect remain essential values, you no longer feel the need to sugarcoat your thoughts and opinions. You have the confidence to assert your views and make decisions that align with your priorities and values. Saying no becomes more straightforward, allowing you to allocate your time and resources more effectively. This newfound honesty can help you filter out insincerity and superficiality in your relationships, fostering more meaningful connections with those who appreciate your authenticity. And as promised, here's that extra exciting change we mentioned. Number 16. Your sex life changes. Whether you are single or in a committed relationship, wealth can significantly impact your love life. For singles, newfound financial stability can open doors to a more fulfilling romantic life. It provides the means to explore new experiences and adventures, potentially enhancing your dating prospects. In committed relationships, financial security can lead to a more relaxed and satisfying love life. You may have the resources to embark on romantic getaways, try new activities, and deepen your emotional connection with your partner. Ultimately, increased wealth can contribute to greater happiness and fulfillment in your romantic relationships, whether you're single or in a partnership. So there you have it, future billionaires. Keep these 15, plus one bonus, changes in mind as you climb the ladder of success. If you've already experienced some of these shifts, let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more inspiring content. Until next time, stay driven and stay curious.